Did you know the delicious candy you enjoy daily goes through an incredible process before it ends up in your hands? Making candy involves a detailed and precise process. Today we will learn how candy is made step by step, from gathering raw ingredients to the final product. Let's start with the basics. Candy is made from a variety of ingredients including sugar, corn syrup, flavorings, and colorings. These ingredients are sourced from different parts of the world to ensure the highest quality. Sugar, the main ingredient, is often derived from sugarcane or sugar beets. Once the raw ingredients arrive at the factory, they are thoroughly inspected and tested for quality. The sugar is then refined to remove any impurities. This step is crucial to ensure that the final product has the desired sweetness and texture. The next step is cooking the sugar. The sugar is mixed with water and corn syrup in large kettles. The mixture is heated to a high temperature to dissolve the sugar and create a thick syrup. The exact temperature and cooking time depend on the type of candy being made. For hard candies, the mixture is heated to a higher temperature to achieve a hard, brittle texture. For soft candies, the mixture is cooked at a lower temperature to create a chewy texture. Once the sugar mixture reaches the desired temperature, it is cooled slightly and then poured onto large cooling tables. Flavorings and colorings are added at this stage. The mixture is then stirred to ensure the flavors and colors are evenly distributed. The cooling tables are equipped with rollers and knives to cut and shape the candy as it cools. For hard candies, the mixture is stretched and pulled to incorporate air and create a shiny, smooth texture. This process, known as pulling, also helps to develop the candy's flavor and texture. The candy is then shaped into various forms such as sticks, drops, or discs and allowed to cool completely. For soft candies, the mixture is poured into molds to create the desired shapes. The molds are then cooled to set the candy. Once the candy is set, it is removed from the molds and coated with a fine layer of sugar or cornstarch to prevent sticking. After the candies are formed and cooled, they go through a series of quality control checks. Each candy is inspected for defects such as cracks, uneven coloring, or incorrect shapes. The quality control team also tests samples of the candy to ensure it meets the brand's standards for taste and texture. Any candy that doesn't meet these standards is removed from the production line. Once the candy passes quality control, it is ready to be packaged. The candies are placed into bags or boxes using automated packing machines. These machines are calibrated to dispense the exact amount of candy into each package, ensuring consistency and accuracy. The packages are then sealed to keep the candy fresh and prevent contamination. The packaged candy is then labeled with important information such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. The labeling process is done with precision to ensure that each package is correctly labeled and ready for the market. The final step is packaging the candy for distribution. The bags or boxes of candy are grouped into cartons and labeled for shipping. These cartons are then loaded onto pallets and prepared for transport. The packaging process is designed to protect the candy during transit and ensure it arrives at its destination in perfect condition. The candy is then shipped to distribution centers and retailers around the world. From there, it makes its way to grocery stores, vending machines, and homes, where it is enjoyed by millions of people every day. The distribution process is carefully managed to ensure that candy is always fresh and readily available to consumers. Making candy involves not only a precise manufacturing process but also creativity and innovation. Candy manufacturers constantly develop new flavors, textures, and shapes to keep consumers excited and engaged. Research and development teams work on creating unique combinations and experimenting with ingredients to produce new and exciting products. The process of creating seasonal and special edition candies is another fascinating aspect of candy manufacturing. For holidays like Halloween, Christmas, and Valentine's Day, manufacturers produce themed candies that feature unique shapes, colors, and packaging. These seasonal candies require careful planning and coordination to ensure they are produced and distributed in time for the holiday season. Candy manufacturers also focus on sustainability and environmental responsibility. Many companies are making efforts to reduce their environmental footprint by using eco-friendly packaging, sourcing ingredients sustainably, and minimizing waste in their production processes. For example, some manufacturers are transitioning to biodegradable wrappers and using renewable energy sources in their factories. Additionally, candy manufacturers must comply with strict food safety regulations to ensure their products are safe for consumption. This includes adhering to guidelines for hygiene, ingredient sourcing, and processing methods. Regular audits and inspections are conducted to ensure that factories meet these standards and employees receive training on food safety practices. And that's how candy is made, from raw ingredients sourced from around the world to the final sweet treat in your hands. It's a complex process that involves many steps and skilled workers. Next time you enjoy a piece of candy, you'll know just how much effort went into making it. Each piece is a testament to precise manufacturing, quality control, and a commitment to creating a delicious product. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how candy is made, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with more fascinating insights into how everyday things are made. Share this video with your friends and let us know in the comments what other products you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.